In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube channel play on Linktree. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional link on your Linktree that points to your YouTube channel, with options to highlight or even play your latest video if your plan supports it. Start by opening your Linktree dashboard and make sure you're signed into the account you want to edit. Head to the links area in the sidebar. This is where you manage everything your visitors will see on your profile and where the live preview updates as you work so you can instantly check how things look. Next, open your YouTube channel in a new browser tab. From the address bar, copy your channel's public URL. Handles and channel URLs both work fine. Just avoid copying from YouTube Studio or any private page because Linktree won't be able to detect those correctly. Jump back to Linktree and from the link screen, click Add to create a new item. You'll see different link types and integrations. Choose the YouTube option. This template helps Linktree recognize your channel and unlocks YouTube-specific settings that make the link more engaging. Give your link a clear, concise title in the title field, something like Watch My YouTube channel, or another short description that makes sense for your audience. Keep it straightforward so it reads well on mobile. Paste your channel URL into the URL field. After you paste, Linktree should detect it automatically. If it doesn't, double-check that you're using the public channel link and not a shortened or tracking link that masks a destination. Open link settings. Here you'll find extra controls for how your YouTube content behaves. Look for the option to open your channel's latest video and similar enhancements. These features are part of Linktree's paid plans, so if you're on a free plan, you'll still get a functional link, but the embedded or auto-playing experience won't be available. Now, click Layout. This is where you adjust how the link appears on your profile. Depending on your plan, you may be able to switch between simple buttons and richer card-style layouts that surface thumbnails or preview elements. As you change options, watch the preview panel so you can fine-tune how it looks for visitors. That's it. You've added your YouTube channel to Linktree, set a clear title, applied the correct URL, reviewed the link settings, and adjusted the layout. In the preview, you should see your new link ready to go. When visitors tap it, they'll land on your channel, and if you've enabled paid features, your latest video can play right within your Linktree for a more seamless experience.